Hello. Welcome to my channel today and I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are having a special handcraft for children. Since my inner child is so active in me, I did enjoy a lot during making this handcraft. What we make today, let's call it a frame of the ocean. As you see, this beautiful little frame puts it on the desk or you can hang it on the wall. These are so easy and actually fun to make. What we should do? First, pick 14 pieces of ice cream stick. Second, color them in any color you would love. Third, let them dry. Now it's time for making frame. Glue all the sticks together just like I do. At the end, in two sides you should have 3 layers of sticks and to other side 4 layers. 6 and 8 is 14. Next, draw a fish shape on a felt or colored paper and cut it. As you see, I'm using circle for drawing a fish, but you should do in your own unique way. Additionally, you can paint it. Also, you can add some beads to have the texture of the fish body. Add some eyes and cute smiley lips and maybe 2 cheeks. Now I want to hang the fish on the frame, so I do it with a yarn. For hiding the yarn, you can add some colorful beads that make it even more beautiful. Now, draw some seaweed on the color paper. They could be in a different shape, straight or curly, whatever you like. Cut them, glue them on the frame, and I mean between the stick layers. And here we are. Handcraft is ready, and I love this little cute fish. Alright everyone, if you liked my handcraft and this idea, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you had a question, you can ask me in the comment section or send me an email. and I would appreciate you share this video to your friends. Love you always. See you next time.